was that noise? What? No, I didn't hear anything. Don't play dumb, Loudward. I know you're the one making those spooky noises. Me? Why I do that? Because you're a sadistic asshole who gets off on scaring people. Oh please, like you've never scared anyone before. Remember when you dressed up as a ghost and tried to scare SpongeBob? That was different, and it's not like he actually got scared. Yeah, because he's an idiot. But back to the point. It wasn't me making those noises. Then who was it? Maybe it was Patrick trying to communicate with his alien friends again. Don't even get me started on Patrick. He's probably too busy eating rocks or something. Hey now, don't insult my best friend like that, Squidward.